Hey y'all, I made crispy rice shrimp sushi inspired by cooking with cocktail rings on TikTok. Let's get into it. So first, cook 2 cups of jasmine rice, strain it, place it on plastic wrap in a Pyrex dish, and I put it in the freezer for about 2 hours and let it freeze. I take it out, let it thaw for about 10 minutes and cut it into these squares as you can see. So I tried to fry the rice squares as I seen in the video. It didn't work out, they kept falling apart. So I opted for the air fryer, put some olive oil in there and let it cook for 30 minutes. Now, each of these seasonings, I used a half a teaspoon. You can bump it up to 1 teaspoon, depending on your taste buds, but this is what I use to season my shrimp. So I used 2 cups of shrimp. I devein them, clean them real good, sear them, add the seasoning, and I add greased scallions to the shrimp. Finish cooking, chop up the shrimp, add 1 tablespoon of mayo, half to 1 teaspoon of sriracha, depending on your taste bud, and add a little bit more green onions. Now we're going to add some avocado to the mix, top it on top of the shrimp, and then drizzle it with these sauces. Ooh-wee. Baby, listen, these little appetizers were bursting with so much spicy and sweet flavor. Yeah, that part. And because my husband doesn't eat shrimp, we topped his sushi with some fried orange ruffing minus the hoisin sauce. It was still popping though. And with leftovers today, I was able to make a shrimp and fish street taco. If you want to see more dishes I cook, follow me on Facebook and Instagram and visit my YouTube channel and subscribe.